Adventure into the room.
Adventure into the room. You bought it. Don't do anything. You bought it.
So what are we doing here, Magic? Magic. Magic. Door! Nothing illegal going on. Nothing illegal, sir. We promise. Finish the board! Hello, how are you? You're up in my, junk. I'm not in no one's junk. That's not my stuff. My stuff is over here. Sorry. That's my name right there. Carrie-green. No! I used the puppet.
Brianna, write your address.
Your address? Whoa, why does she need...
I'll text you it.
Why do you need her
I
address?
need to figure it out. For Friday night.
You gonna go to her house and do a little something? Carrie!
Katie!
Adventure to the garbage can again. Garbage!
But you forgot.
Melissa. What?
Is that a video?
Yes, it is. I'm adventuring, okay? I'm adventuring, and it's amazing. It's a video.
Take an adventure to find your sweater.
Where's my sweater? Why did you take my sweater? Adventure to my sweater. Where? I'm adventuring everywhere.
Yeah, she's recording herself with my phone. She's making magic in the room.
Magical! Magical moments in Stormpass. She likes it. Woo!
Press the button.